Hi, welcome to Dumb Tutorials. In this video, we are quickly going to learn about creating a serverless image handler solution. This is a very effective image optimization solution and you can deploy in your AWS account really quickly. This solution also provides a very good documentation. You can click on this link and it will take you to the implementation guide. We'll go ahead and click here for related content, and here is the launch in AWS console button. Click on that. I'm going to select North Virginia. It deploys a CloudFormation template for this image optimization solution. We'll click on next. It asks the basic questions like what's the stack name you want to put. I will say serverless image handler 3. Do you want to enable CORS headers? Let's go ahead and do that. Then it will ask you for the source bucket. So I already have a bucket where I have uploaded few of the sample images. I'm going to use the same. It asks me whether I want to have a demo UI or not. Then it asks you event logging and the retention period. Let's say I will select 1 day only. Whether you want signature, signed URL or not, it's up to you. I'll select no. I also want WebP conversions automatically for the clients which supports WebP format, and click on next. You can fill in additional details if you want. I'm going to skip all these. I will quickly go ahead and click on next. And here it is now showing me summary. And finally, I will just select this checkbox, click on create stack. Now it will take a couple of minutes for the solution to get deployed. We will pause our video and come back to us when it is ready to be tested. So the solution has just got deployed. It has deployed this architecture where it is making use of CloudFront for delivering the content, Amazon API Gateway and AWS Lambda for optimizing the images. The library being used is Sharp. It's an open source library. If you want, you can go through the source code and modify as per your need as well. It is all well documented here. Now let's go ahead and test the setup that we have just deployed. It has deployed this CloudFront distribution and we are going to use this distribution domain name for testing the setup. So I have this S3 bucket where I have uploaded two JPG images. One is flower.jpg, second is pic2.jpg. We are going to do the optimization on the fly. So I have opened inspect and I have gone to the network tab and I will hit enter with this test URL. Now this original image of pic2 is of 185 kilobyte. I have just use this URL where this original image is being returned, and it is simply rewriting this image to WebP. The size remains the same, almost 185, 189 KB. We are going to do the optimizations now. So the beauty of this solution is that it also supports all different filter that Thumber uses. So I'm going to use few of the Thumber filters here, and the same image is now returned in 89 kilobyte. You can do the optimizations of various quality. You can just resize the image on the fly. The same image is now 9 KB. It got resized. When the image got optimized from the original size image, you can hardly see any difference in the quality of the image. That's the beauty of this solution. Without losing the perspective, you can alter the quality to 80, 90, 70 depending upon what value you want, and you can do the balanced optimizations. So for me, 80 looks good. Let's test another example of flower pic. This flower pic is of 164 KB. I'm just going to do the optimization on the fly. Now the same flower is now has become 70 KB in size. Huge reduction in the size without losing any quality. Cost wise also it's very effective. You can see 500K images can be optimized in $744. But if you already have S3 bucket where images are stored, you can actually get rid of this cost element here. Now the basic cost for optimization is API Gateway and Lambda, as well as a small amount for the secret manager. For the basic users, you would be able to develop your own solution, deploy it really quick and use it in a very cost effective way. If you want to deliver images from your own custom domain name, go to the distribution that was created here. Go to the general settings, click on edit. Go ahead and use the CNAME or alternate name that you want to use for delivery of the images. Example, image delivery.cdntest.in. Of course, it will ask you to apply the SSL certificate that you have in your account. And that's it. Just save the changes and you are done. So hope this serverless solution deployment will be useful for you to deploy the image optimization on the fly and make your own solution real quick.